So let me show you how to remove camera audio from your Instagram Reels. So let's say you had recorded a video. What is your best self-improvement advice for the younger generation now? All right, so let's say you had recorded a video for your Instagram Reels. So for instance, if I come here to Reels, let's go to Reel and either use my camera to record, and maybe I recorded my video in a place that had some music, or I just want to get rid of the background audio in my Instagram Reel video. So that is what I'm calling camera audio. So we just recorded the video and then tap on next. Now, once you get to this part where you can add music, just tap on the music icon at the top there and tap on controls. And then you should see the option for camera audio. So what you want to do is to remove the camera audio, just turn that volume all the way down. Now, if you had recorded a video in a place that has music and you have concerns about copyrights and stuff like that, this is the best way to remove the original camera audio from your video before you post it. Okay. Now, once you're done, once you put the volume all the way down to 0, just tap on done. If you intend to add music, you can proceed, but then you can always go back, and even if I increase the volume now, you'll notice the original camera audio has been removed. And that is basically how to get rid or how to remove camera audio from Instagram Reels. From now, you can just proceed with the edit process and continue to post your reel. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.